Hi, I'm physiotherapist Dr. Lopasha, and today I'm going to show you some basic breathing exercises that you can do during and after getting COVID to increase your lung capacity and oxygenation. Please do not do them if you have fever, weakness, breathlessness, or any pre existing lung condition. Here, you have to breathe in from your nose and breathe out from your mouth as if you are blowing a whistle. You have to make sure to take longer time in breathing out the air as if you are blowing some candles. Now, place one hand on your chest and the other on the stomach and breathe in from your nose in such a way that your stomach expands and shrinks, but the chest stays as it is. Now, breathe in when you shrug your shoulders up and breathe out while you bring them down. Make sure to bring them down gently and do not jerk. Similarly, breathe in while you roll your shoulders up and breathe out while you roll them down. Similarly, breathe in while you raise your shoulders up from front as well as from the side, and then breathe out while you bring them down. Make sure to take longer time in bringing them down. Now, in these wall push-ups, you have to breathe in while you bring your shoulders towards the wall and breathe out while you bring them back. Here we are trying to open up the lower parts of the lungs which are most susceptible to the infection and increase the thoracic mobility. So take some support and bring the same side foot forward to stabilize your pelvis and breathe in while you bring your hands up and breathe out while you bring it down. Here, firstly, place a small pillow or a rolled up towel on the mid back. Now place your hands behind your head and breathe in while you extend yourself back and breathe out while you come forward. This device is called spirometer, which is readily available in any medical store. Here, you have to breathe in through the mouthpiece while keeping the device straight and breathe out by inverting it. You can see your progress by looking at the number of balls rise up. Here, firstly take a piece of paper and hold it near your face. Now breathe in from your nose and breathe out from your mouth in such a way that the paper flies in the air for as long as possible. If you are able to do that, you can extend your hands and repeat the same process. Here, lie down on your side and place a pillow between your legs. Now breathe in while you extend your hands backside along with twisting your trunk and breathe out while you bring it back. Make sure that your pelvis does not move. Repeat the process on the other side too. This exercise is to expand your lungs along with increasing the thoracic mobility. Lastly, according to the research, sleeping on your stomach greatly increases the aeration of the backside of the lungs, thereby expanding them. So, whenever possible, sleep on your stomach. Avoid if you feel uncomfortable or feel a lot of pressure, and do not sleep after having heavy meal. You can do them as frequently as once in 2 hours, and each exercise can be done for 4 to 5 repetitions max. If you want to increase the repetitions or increase the intensity of exercise, then please consult your doctor or your physiotherapist. Thank you.